guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy Charm Icon Box for the month of November 2023. If you're just as excited as I am, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube familia. And let's go ahead and get started with this Ipsy Charm unboxing. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have my little blade here and I have not broken into my little box. So excited to see what we got. It is a kind of hefty little box. It's kind of heavy, but nonetheless, I'm super excited to see what we are getting. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. So our icon this month is Miss Pat McGrath. So here it is. We're gonna set this aside. I'm so excited for my box, guys. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Ta-da! This is what it is looking like. It is very nice and hefty. We are gonna go ahead and start off with the first item. This one was one of my choice items, and it's coming from Commodity Gold. This is the Scent Space Expressive for me, and so this is a fragrance, and this fragrance, if you guys did not know, this fragrance is a unisex, and I do remember that this scent was very much warm and spicy. And let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I'm so excited for it. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a little spray. I'm gonna open it, but here it is. This is what this fragrance looks like. Here's a little bottle, and this fragrance is super potent and it's very much strong. But what I remember of it was that it was very, very warm and rich. Yes, to me, this smells, it smells very, very good, warm and spicy. This scent just kind of smells a little bit more masculine to me. It is unisex. You could definitely wear it if you're a female, but to me, in my personal opinion, I feel that this fragrance is very much more of like masculine, and it is a very bold scent. It's probably not for everybody, but I personally really like this scent a lot. So yeah, that was our first item, was the Commodity Gold fragrance. Okay, let's keep it moving. All right, up next, guys, this is coming from Too Faced, and this is the Sun Bunny Radiant Duo Tone Bronzer. I love the Too Faced packaging. It's so freaking cute and girly and very much like pinky. If you're like a pink girl, I'm pretty sure you have Too Faced in your collection. So their packaging is so cute. I recall having, maybe not this one, I think it was maybe like the Chocolate Soleil. It might have similar packaging, I believe, but here it is. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty, and I'm excited to use this. It's a duo and it's so pretty. I don't smell much of the chocolate, maybe because it's new. I just don't smell it. But anyways, I love this little product and I am excited to have it in my collection. So far, we're off to a great start. I love it when it's an icon month because you get extra goodies, and I'm all for that. All right, guys. So then up next, we got this. It's coming from Aloe, and it's the Glow System Superfruit Moisturizing Body Lotion, and it has arnica and coconut oil, and it has all kinds of goods. Let me actually try it out because I always like to smell my stuff. So it does have like the little tab. I love that. Okay, let's see if I could pull it out. There we go. And does it smell like anything? Let's see if it smells. Oh, it smells very much like clean. Very, very, very clean. I smell a little bit of like a hint of a little bit of coconut, but it just smells mostly like very, very clean. And it just definitely did moisturize my hands because they were a little crocodile looking. They're a little crusty, dusty, musty. But yes, okay, I'm excited about this one. So it's a very good size. Full body lotion. or hand lotion, however you want to use it. All right, up next, guys, this is coming from BOBBI Brown, and I'm excited for this. This is their highlighter powder. I was gonna say power. It's the highlighter powder, and it's in the shade called Pink Glow. I am currently using a highlighter. Even though I have a lot of texture, like, I still like to add that extra glow. I personally like it. Has a beautiful packaging, very much simple and sleek and clean. And it has this little tab right here. It has a little button, so you just pop it up to open it. And this is what this looks like. It is so pretty. It's very much marble quilted in there. And it has a compact mirror at the very top. It's so pretty. I'm excited for this. I love this. This month's box is such a good one. I'm excited for it. All right, let's keep it moving. We got 4 products down. Then up next, we got this. I think this is a eyeshadow quad. This is from MCGRATH. And this is the Divine Rose Luxe quad. Let's open it up. Look how pretty this packaging is. It is so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. I don't even want to open it. I don't want to mess it up. I'm so crazy. It's so pretty, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and open it on up. Oh my God, I'm having a hard time opening it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one up. How pretty. Has a little protectant at the very front. Oh, these shades are super pretty and rosy and mauvey. So pretty. Okay, so here are the shades. Oh my God, they're so cute. I love this little color scheme, like this mauvey shade, like a lighter pink. I think this is a shimmer. It has like a matte shade over here, and then a little shimmer shade right in there. Super pretty. I like this. Okay. That would be a very nice, like, little pinky mauvey nude. Very pretty. Okay, let's keep it moving. We also did get the MCGRATH Dark Star Mascara. This packaging is so like very bold and different. I like that. Okay, and this is in Extreme Black. I'm always down for some mascara. How pretty is it? It's super, feels very, very luxurious with this gold packaging. Look at that, how pretty. I'm gonna open mine because I am gonna be putting mine to use. And I'm gonna apply some to my falsies. Yes, I think I like this wand. It's all about the wand, honestly, to me. I like it. Okay, and then it has a little MCGRATH writing in pink right here. You can barely see it, but it's there. All right, guys. Oh my God, I thought I was almost done, but I'm not. I still have a few items left. This is the star of the show. This one is my Boost product. And it's coming from HUDA Beauty. And this is the Empowered Beauty Palette, eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna need help with this. So, let me see. Let me try to open it up. This one's gonna be super, super luxe. I love HUDA's products. How pretty is this? Oh my God. Girl, I can't. It is so pretty, you guys. Look. How pretty is this? This is so pretty. Damn. This box is definitely worth it. How gorgeous is this? This is pretty. Dang. I love this. This month's box, I think it's one of my favorite ones of the year, or from the icon boxes that we've gotten in a while. The Vanessa Hudgens ones was okay, it was good, but this one is amazing. It's like chef's kiss, beautiful, love it, so good. Okay, guys, we're almost done. I do have 2 more products in my little box. And let's go ahead and start off with this one. So this one's coming from one of my favorite YouTubers, Dominique. I love her. So this is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the brow frame. It's a 4-in-1 brow pencil. And let's see. Let's take it out. I think this one, I remember everybody was talking about it, that it was so good. And I'm so excited that I got it in my box. This is what this little pencil looks like. It's so pretty, nice and sleek packaging. Okay, so yeah, remember them saying that the applicator was very unique. Look at this angle, so that way you could do like hair-like strokes. That is so pretty. I'm excited to use this brow pencil because you can definitely add some very realistic brow hair looking little strokes, and I'm excited for it. I'm currently doing my brows like that, like fluffing them up, trying to give it like a natural look. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm very, very excited. And then up next, our last item in our box is coming from Fenty Beauty. And this is the Pro Kiss Luscious Lip Balm. And mine is in the shade Cocoa Drizzle. I think I chose this. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure I chose this. I chose like, I mostly go for like colorful items, or, you know, from the color world. So very much into makeup. And this is, oh, I did not know that I had this little applicator. Let me swatch right here. Oh, this is very pretty. So yeah, you can definitely add this on top. It's going to give you a very juicy look to the lips. And I really like that color for fall. That's perfect. All right, guys, that's everything I got in my box. I love it. I love my box. I'm so excited to use all of my products. I could still smell the perfume from Commodity. And the scent kind of went down a little bit. It kind of got aired out a little bit. And I kind of like it. I think I'm going to keep it for myself. Yes, I am. I kind of like it now. Okay, at first I thought it was a little bit too bold, a little too strong, but now it's kind of airing out, and I really, really am excited about my Commodity fragrance. Let me recap everything I got, okay? So the Commodity fragrance, this was one item. And then we got the Pro Kiss Balm from Fenty, of course. And then up next, we got the Dominique Cosmetics brow pencil. And then we got the Pat McGrath mascara. Ta-da! Then we got the Aloe Glow System body lotion. This palette is amazing. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm excited to use this and have it in my vanity. I'm excited to try out Pat McGrath. I have never tried any of Pat McGrath products because they're just not in my budget. And I'm excited to have it now to try it out. We got the Bobbi Brown Glow Highlighter. And we also got the Too Faced little bronzer. And I'm excited to try it all out. I love my box this month. It was amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to play with it. And there, yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!